Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Few cars capture the style and spirit of early 70s American muscle and luxury quite like this beauty, the 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible. With bold looks, a plush interior, and solid 5.8 power, this was more than just a car, it was a statement. Buckle up, because today, we're diving into every inch of this iconic ride. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 1972 Cutlass Supreme was the last year of the second generation, and Oldsmobile gave it a striking look before the big design shift in '73. From the long, flowing body lines to the split front grille with chrome accents, this convertible turned heads then, and still does now. The quad headlights give it a muscular stance, and those subtle creases along the sides add elegance without being flashy. The Supreme trim meant added flair, color-keyed sport mirrors, body side moldings, and distinctive Cutlass Supreme badging. And of course, you can't miss the white convertible top, automatically operated, and smooth as ever. In 1972, this model rolled on 14-inch super stock 2 wheels, wrapped in raised white leather tires. The look was sporty, but unmistakably premium. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that was ahead of its time. This is where Oldsmobile blurred the line between performance and comfort. You've got bench or optional bucket seats wrapped in rich vinyl, available in a variety of colors back then, from black to saddle brown. The dash layout is classic GM, simple, symmetrical, and functional. Check out the wood grain accents across the instrument panel and door panels. It's not real wood, but it delivers a premium vibe. Standard features included a clock, AM radio, and 3-spoke steering wheel, but you could load this up with power windows, air conditioning, and even an 8-track stereo. For 1972, that was luxury living. And the best part? Driving with the top down on a sunny day, letting that 1970s freedom wash over you. Performance. Under the hood, you had options, but most Supreme convertibles came with the dependable Rocket 350 V8. This engine delivered around 180 to 250 horsepower, depending on configuration and emission setup. Want more grunt? The optional Rocket 455 V8 was available, producing up to 300 horsepower and serious torque. Power was delivered through a turbo-hydromatic 3-speed automatic, giving you smooth cruising with decent off-the-line pull. 0 to 60. You were looking at roughly 8 to 9 seconds with the 455, not bad for a 4,000-plus pound cruiser. Suspension-wise, it featured coil springs all around, with a front sway bar and optional rear sway bar, giving it a surprisingly comfortable yet controlled ride for the era. Brakes. Front discs were optional, rear drum standard. Not sports car performance, but plenty capable for the boulevard. So what do we have in the 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible? A classic blend of comfort, style, and solid 5.8 performance. It wasn't just about getting from point A to point B, it was about arriving in style. This was Oldsmobile's top-selling model line for a reason, offering muscle car flavor with a luxury twist. Today, it's a collector's gem, especially in convertible form. If you're lucky enough to own one, you've got a slice of American automotive history that's as smooth and cool as the jazz playing on that original 8-track. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this ride down memory lane, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite year of the Cutlass? This is your channel name, where classic cars come alive. See you next time.